In this video, I'll show you how you can make AI generated images on Canva. Now this is completely free, guys, and what you have to do is just head over to canva.com, create a design template, and then scroll down until you find apps. Inside of apps, there's a specific app called AI Image Gen. Press enter and you'll be able to download it. It's this one with this icon that I usually use, but there's also others that you can use. But this one has unlimited generations for free. Some of the other ones cost, you only get a few free ones and then you have to buy, but this one is completely free. So just select it and in here describe what you want it to be. So let me just say a red mushroom in a forest. Create, and it's going to start creating your image. Now you also have the option to just press surprise me, which will just make a random one. But as you can see, it made a red mushroom in a forest. Now you can be much more specific in what you type, and it's going to be much more specific on the pictures. You can also change the kind of style you want it to be. If you type you want it to be cartoonish, or you want it to be black and white and stuff like this. But that's basically how it works. So as you can see, it created the picture that we wanted. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.